What's up guys, back again with me, and it's a big channel. Okay, today I'm going to review the Majestics. Wow, super awesome rarely. This is the Dainese Axial Pro in Valentino Rossi replica boots 2006 edition, which is very rare. Not many of these, and I'm very lucky I got this. And just want to say, to having this is totally not easy. I have to sacrifice a lot, but mostly these boots not far away from the what usually Dainese sell it for on the road one, so not very special in my opinion. It's just this is because the real Valentino Rossi replica boots, and I'm very proud having these, and just want to show you guys like how this boot usually mostly this is just like the same one, just like what when you buying it at the store. Okay, not many, as you can see everything looks same. And hold on, let me try to open it. That's very hard. Well, there is okay, as you can see, same, just like others axial oil boots, same inside, not many. So I just wanted to show you guys from the how it look like from the outside. It's very rare boots, and not many of these. This should be paired with the yellow suit, the yellow camel suit. Same thing. That one, the Dainese replica Rossi suit. You can see, if you don't know how it looks like, just Google it. You will see that one. And hard to find this, all I can say. Very proud having these, but sadly, well, this just like also same again, just like when you purchase at the Dainese stores. But again, the one that made me proud, just because this is replica Rossi. Okay, that is my short review, and just want to show you, even for the bottom sole, same as you can see. Nothing different, nothing special, same just like normally regularly. But these boots has the two edition, the perforated and non-perforated. I got non-perforated, so as you can see there are no holes here, the tiny little holes, and very hard to find the one with the holes. Even again, I got these so lucky. Okay guys, that's all my review, and thank you for watching. See you again for my other review. Ciao.